Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, you're doing well. My name is Ms. Roma Kadi. Today, our topic is to discuss the market management orientation. What is marketing management? Marketing management is art to manage all the market related activities. Well, in this question, market management orientation, we are going to discuss the five important headings, the five important concepts that comes under the heading of marketing management orientation. First one, we do have a production concept, then we do have a product concept. At third number we have a selling concept, fourth number we have marketing concept, and fifth one we do have a societal marketing concept. Up now we are going to discuss each of them one by one, right? First one is production concept. In production concept we are going to give the importance only to the production of goods and services and make them available in the market. What definition mentioned in the book is the, you can see over there, the idea that consumer will favor products that are available and highly affordable, and that the organization should therefore focus on improving production and distribution efficiency. In short, in so much easy word, you can just write a focus on production of goods and just make them available in the market, right? After that we are going to discuss the second concept that we have is like a product concept. In product concept we are going to give the priority to all the element related product, like product quality, feature, design, attribute, and so on. So what the definition you can see in the book is the idea that consumer will favor product that offer the most quality, performance, and feature, and that the organization should therefore devote its energy to making contribution or continuous product improvement, right? So in short, in easy word, in product concept our main focus on the product related all the important element, right? Now we have a selling concept. In selling concept our main focus on selling of goods, not focus on customer satisfaction. The definition in easy way that I am going to describe, right? What book mentioned over there, the idea that the consumer will not buy enough of the firm product unless it undertake a large scale selling and promotion effort. In short, in selling concept our main focus on selling of goods, not focus on customer satisfaction. Selling concept in which we are not going to bother the customer satisfaction, but yes, in marketing concept our main priority or going to give the most important perspective is all about satisfaction of the customer. So because in marketing we believe on try to give the maximum benefit to the customer, make sure you are going to give them superior value so customer will love to stay with you. So this is what the marketing concept is all about, that meeting customer needs with profit, right? So satisfaction is the first important perspective of marketing concept as compared with selling concept. Now we have a last one, but the most important point is societal marketing concept. In societal marketing concept you can see the triangle over there. One side we have a consumer, another side we do have a company, and third one we have a society. What this triangle say and what the societal marketing concept say is mean कि whatever we do as a consumer, as an employee, while working in the company, we have to do everything in a way that ultimate result having a great impact on society, or we are doing something good for our society. So societal marketing concept is all about that as being a consumer or working in a company as an employee, we should need to always do something good or do something better for our society in a long way. So this is what the societal marketing concept, you can see the definition over there. The idea, the company marketing decision should consider consumer wants, company requirement, consumer long run interest, and society long run interest. So in short, societal marketing concept mean we should need to do all the marketing related activities in a way that having a great and positive impact on the society, because yes, we have to stay in the society. So if we are doing good for the society. So in short, we are a good person, or we are doing something good for others. Hope you get it. So in short, we discuss 5 important point that comes under the headings of market management orientation. We discuss production and product concept, selling and marketing concept, and last one, societal marketing concept. Thank you so much, Vicho. God bless you.